Did you know there's a bird in the rainforest that people call the world's most dangerous bird? Before we continue, make sure to subscribe for more amazing animal facts. Meet the cassowary. It might look calm, almost prehistoric, but don't let that fool you. A cassowary can grow over 6 feet tall and weigh more than 60 kilograms. And those legs? Each foot has a dagger-like claw up to 5 inches long, sharp enough to cause serious injury. Cassowaries usually avoid humans, but if they feel threatened, they can kick forward with incredible power. The wildest part? Despite their reputation, they actually play a huge role in the rainforest, spreading seeds and helping forests grow. So the cassowary isn't just dangerous, it's one of nature's most powerful gardeners.